HCTI stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm breaking all this down in this very brief short 1 minute video. Now, yes, we had like a very recent reverse split and HCTI sort of crashed. Yeah, like this bullish side that I had in here, I'm gonna get rid of it because what happened yesterday is just out of this world. 99% down. Yeah, I mean, I had a bullish idea, and the only kind of catalyst that was kind of needed was a double break. We never got clearly the double break, so the likelihood of this thing keeps crashing is very high. This is why I absolutely love my approach, because I'm not just assuming stuff. I'm waiting for confirmation, and then I'll jump in the pretty much 60 miles per hour car, right? And in this case, I mean, I don't doubt that this can just pump out of nowhere randomly, because 99% down is tough, right? But also, if there is a solid double break, looking to take it further down. For me to be bullish in this case, it must break above $9.36. So if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.